High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. In 2025, these accounts have become increasingly popular due to their ability to grow your money faster. With rates reaching up to 4.75% APY, high-yield savings accounts provide an excellent opportunity for savers to maximize their returns. These accounts are typically offered by online banks, which can afford to provide better rates due to lower overhead costs. High-yield savings accounts are FDIC insured, making them a safe and reliable option for storing your money while earning substantial interest. When choosing a high-yield savings account, it's essential to consider factors such as the annual percentage yield, APY, minimum balance requirements, fees, and account features. In this video, we'll explore the best 5 high-yield savings accounts of 2025, helping you make an informed decision on where to save your money. Number 1. Openbank, the highest APY. Openbank leads the pack with an impressive 4.75% APY, making it the top choice for savers looking to maximize their returns. 3. This online bank offers a competitive rate without compromising on features or accessibility. With Openbank, you'll benefit from a user-friendly online platform and mobile app, making it easy to manage your savings from anywhere. The account typically has no monthly maintenance fees and a low minimum balance requirement, allowing you to start saving with ease. One of the standout features of Openbank is its commitment to maintaining high rates. While other banks may offer temporary promotional rates, Openbank has consistently provided top-tier APYs, making it a reliable choice for long-term savers. Number 2. Brio Direct, runner-up with excellent features. Brio Direct offers a compelling 4.55% APY, making it an excellent alternative for those seeking high returns. This online bank combines a competitive rate with a suite of features designed to enhance your saving experience. One of Brio Direct's strengths is its low minimum deposit requirement, allowing savers to start with a small amount and gradually build their savings. The account also typically comes with no monthly maintenance fees, ensuring that your money grows unimpeded by unnecessary charges. Brio Direct's online platform is intuitive and easy to use, offering tools such as automatic savings plans and goal-setting features. These tools can help you stay on track with your savings objectives and make the most of your high-yield account. Number 3. Discover Bank, competitive rate with added benefits. Discover Bank offers a solid 4.5% APY, placing it among the top contenders in the high-yield savings market. This bank stands out for its combination of competitive rates and additional banking services. One of the advantages of choosing Discover Bank is access to a wider range of financial products. In addition to the high-yield savings account, you can explore options such as checking accounts, personal loans, and investment services, all under one roof. Discover Bank's savings account typically features no minimum balance requirements and no monthly maintenance fees. The bank also offers a user-friendly mobile app, making it convenient to manage your savings on the go and track your progress towards financial goals. Number 4. Genius Bank, innovative features and high returns. Genius Bank matches Discover Bank with a 4.5% APY, offering savers another excellent option for growing their money. This digital bank combines high rates with innovative features designed for the modern saver. One of Genius Bank's standout features is its advanced budgeting and financial management tools integrated into the savings account. These tools can help you analyze your spending habits, set savings goals, and track your progress more effectively. Genius Bank typically offers accounts with no minimum balance requirements and no monthly fees. The bank's commitment to technology also means you'll have access to cutting-edge security features and a seamless digital banking experience. Number 5. Axos Bank, solid rate with ATM access. Axos Bank offers a competitive 4% APY on its high-yield savings account, making it a strong contender in the 2025 savings market. What sets Axos Bank apart is its combination of high rates and the convenience of ATM access. Unlike many online savings accounts, Synchrony provides an ATM card with its high-yield savings account. This feature allows for easier access to your funds when needed, bridging the gap between the high returns of online savings and the accessibility of traditional bank accounts. Axos bank account comes with no minimum balance requirements and no monthly maintenance fees. The bank also offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app, making it easy to manage your savings and track your interest earnings. Understanding APY and its impact. Annual percentage yield (APY) is a crucial factor when comparing high-yield savings accounts. It represents the total amount of interest you'll earn on your deposit over a year, accounting for compound interest. The higher the APY, the more your money will grow over time. For example, with an APY of 4.75% offered by Openbank, a $10,000 deposit would earn approximately $475 in interest over a year, assuming the rate remains constant. This is significantly more than what you'd earn with a traditional savings account, which often offers APYs below 1%. It's important to note that APYs can fluctuate based on market conditions and Federal Reserve policies. While the rates mentioned in this video are current as of March 2025, it's always wise to check the latest rates when making your decision. Minimum balance and fee considerations. When choosing a high-yield savings account, it's crucial to consider minimum balance requirements and potential fees. Many of the top accounts in 2025 offer the advantage of no minimum balance requirements and no monthly maintenance fees. For instance, accounts from Axos Bank, Brio Direct, and Genius Bank typically don't require a minimum balance to earn the advertised APY. This feature makes these accounts accessible to savers starting with smaller amounts and allows for maximum flexibility in managing your funds. Be aware of other potential fees, such as excessive withdrawal fees or wire transfer fees. While these may not impact your day-to-day saving, they can affect your overall returns if you frequently access or move your money. High-yield savings accounts are predominantly offered by online banks, which means the quality of their digital banking platforms is crucial. Look for banks that offer user-friendly websites and mobile apps with features like easy fund transfers, balance checking, and interest tracking. Some banks, like Genius, offer advanced budgeting and financial management tools integrated into their platforms. These can be valuable for savers looking to optimize their financial habits and track progress towards savings goals. Consider the ease of linking external accounts, setting up automatic transfers, and the availability of customer support. While you may not have access to physical branches, many online banks offer robust customer service through phone, email, or chat options. When choosing among the top high-yield savings accounts of 2025, consider your specific financial needs and savings goals. While APY is important, also factor in account features, minimum balance requirements, and the overall user experience. Compare the top contenders: Openbank 4.75% APY, Brio Direct 4.55% APY, Discover Bank 4.5% APY, Genius Bank 4.5% APY, and Axos Bank 4% APY. Each offers unique features that may align better with your personal preferences and financial situation. Remember that opening a high-yield savings account is a smart step towards maximizing your savings, but it should be part of a broader financial strategy. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure your savings plan aligns with your overall financial goals and risk tolerance.